I'm excited. Today, guys, the countdown begins because today is 12 days before we travel, but 13 days before we see my husband. I see my husband. So, guys, yeah, 12 more days before we leave, and it feels really early to make my hair, but I don't want any emergency. I don't want to have to compromise on the style I want to do or how neat the hair is gonna be. So yes, I'm making my hair today. I washed and did all the oiling this morning. I'm praying for the strength to do this hair because it's gonna take a lot for me, and I don't like sitting long for hair. Hair used to pain me. Why are you laughing at mommy?
Yeah.
Yeah.
David.
Yeah, we do. Do. 2 hours. No, is it 2 hours? 4 hours. We said 10, right?
10. This 3.
This,
This almost, yes, 4 hours.
yeah, this 2 o'clock. 4 hours. And guys, we're not even enter the middle of the year. I'm gonna take a break. Somebody is tired. Let me pause. After this, like
24 hours.
24 hours already.
So that 10 years.
Oh, same
Getting there,
thing. We're getting there.
Final break.
Final break.
After over 24 hours.
How many hours? I think we're going to
24 was at 10.
almost 28 hours now. Right?
Yeah.
Really well done.
Did you need it? It is finished. It is done. It is over.
Last break.
Now for the finishing touches.
Guys, to be honest, I've lost count of what day it is currently, but yes, I'm getting excited. Excited I am. So yeah, I've officially stopped working. My last day of work was yesterday, and I'm so excited. The fact that I don't have to work or think of work for a while, like, it's making me happy. I'm not even going to lie. So guys, I left work this morning. So the first thing on my itinerary is to come to camp. So yes, I'm in camp, just coming to spend time with God. Yes, we have a program, but mainly because I want to spend time with God on this ground before we go rather. Say yes. No response. Okay. But yes, that's the plan, guys. I'm going to be here for about 3 days, and then we continue the actual prepping. It just dawned on me that the first time I left this country was in 2012, and it was to go and study. And that visa came while I was in camp on this ground. Like, when the visa, they just called us, the visa is out, packed our bags 2 days after camp, and then I left. And all that I prayed for on this ground before I got to that place, everything happened.
Sentiment, the grind a lot, the positioning, and the one I don't get, and the one I don't get.
house. Echoing. Oh, oh, oh. Because this is my last day in this apartment. This is my last day in this building. We are clearing out everything. And my mom is here. We are the pack of crew. I'm so excited. I'm happy. We came to this house as a family of 2. We're living as a family of 3. This house has brought us so much joy, goodness. And I'm just really happy and excited. Like, I can't contain my joy. But yeah, this is my last day here because it is 4 days before we travel. So I'm going to be spending the rest of my time with my parents. I actually have a goal, guys, and that goal is to eat meals that are not easily or readily available outside the country till I leave. And today's edition is amala. Welcome back, guys. Welcome back. We're getting closer. My husband sent me 3 more days to go today, and I'm like, it's getting real. And also Qatar Airways, they sent me a message this morning. Yes, I don't know if you can see. No, I don't think you can. But anyway, they're like, dear customer, please be informed that your flight blah 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 will depart as scheduled. Kindly report at the check-in quarter terminal 2 hours 5 minutes prior to departure to avoid any inconvenience. I'm officially having bubbles in my belly. Bubbles. By this time tomorrow, we will be on the flight already. We will be on the flight, guys. It feels so real. This is happening. Anyway, today, you want to say hi? I came to see, or we came to see my in-laws, and we're still here. And this is where I'm going to be spending the rest of my day. Thank God I've done my hair, I've packed most of my stuff, so I'll be getting home later in the evening. And look at the time, guys. By this time, this is past 2. By this time tomorrow, we are going already. So it's December, right? And I totally forgot that we usually have a Harmattan. So it's like the Harmattan decided to come and visit us like a few days before we go, so that, you know, we have an idea of what we're gonna face. Although the Harmattan in Lagos is not that terrible, but the weather is somehow cold, especially in the mornings, and then the dryness in the air, like how everywhere is just dry, and then there's cold in the morning. So it's now seeming like the Harmattan is trying to prepare us for what we're going to face there. Even though I know that it's nothing compared to what we're facing here. I feel like it's just trying to tell us that prepare, places are cold though. Yeah, that's it. And also, guys, I've just been thinking about how myself and my daughter are going to cope, because it's like 24 hours between when we leave the house, you know, board the flight, go to transit and all, before we even get to where we're going to. I don't know how I am going to be able to cope with her, and how she's going to be able to manage the stress, the environment, and all of that. Like, I don't know. That's currently what's stressing me, because I've done majority of the packing and all of that, but thinking about how we're going to manage that time is giving me headache. I don't even know. I've been thinking about it. Am I supposed to ask for an aisle seat because I have a child, or ask for a window seat, which is better? Thinking about it, I'm like, oh God, I don't know, man. I don't know which one is better. I don't know.